let's get this paper, yeah. Hit the ground running, ain't no time to waste. Digging up that silver, love the shiny taste.
First glance, it looks like any other quarter, worth 25 cents. But under the scope, that's a 2026 Unity Ghost Strike. One slip at the mint, and suddenly spare change turns into a $50,000 lottery ticket. People are ripping open rolls as fast as the banks can hand them out. Every unsearched roll is a box of dreams. Meanwhile, folks are handing these to cashiers for that little ribbon secured. That Ghost Strike is just the start. 40 minutes of a slip die turn pocket change into lottery tickets, and the sharp eyes with 4K scopes are the ones cashing in. Then there are the S mint-proof slip-ups, mirror-bright silvers that were never meant to leave the vault. They sneak into Denver rolls and light up feeds the second they're found. A coin worth $200 Tuesday can crack $500 by Friday. That's why the FOMO pulling the tab on a $2,000 hunt right now. And the $50,000 Ghost Strike could be the very first coin we see. From Wounded Eagle die cracks to clip planchettes that look like broken metal but are worth thousands. The 2026 run is a first-come, first-served treasure map. This is Quicksilver Coin Strike, where we turn pocket change into a portfolio and prove the skeptics wrong before the mint fixes its mistakes forever. The paper is ripping and the silver grain of quarters and throw. If you're into live hunts and real-time finds like this, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a pull. That Ghost Strike is the kind of hit that changes the game, and we've got plenty more errors on deck. Each one a chance to upgrade your stack or your savings. Check the links below for guides and upcoming streams, and keep those pockets honest. Your future portfolio might already be jingling in your...
Yeah, it's 2026, the price is going crazy. 84 troy ounce, my vision ain't never hazy. My Franklin halves are $30, that's a legal robbery. Little Roosevelt Diamond 6, funding all my property. Turn a 50 into 600, that's the channel's new hook. Got the DAC shunned on the lookout while I crack another book. Yeah, that 40% Kennedy is 25 times face. Gonna fund the Sea of Cortez cruise with this silver chase.
Let's go.